Test, test, test. I think we're plugged in. Real quick, guys, what's going on? My name is Charles Cerrito. I'm owner of Function Fact Performance and the Function Fact, and I want to update you guys with some quick stuff. No funny camera tricks, no editing. I'm not looking this way, I'm not looking that way. I'm looking right at you in this camera right here. We've got some serious situations going on, and I really need to address these. We just get everyone up to speed. It's a message coming directly from me, not behind an email. This is me. I'm here. What's up? Charles. Hi. Yo. First and foremost, I got one thing to say, and we are not taking the fuck advantage of what's going on. It is serious as shit, and everybody needs to be aware of that. This Corona thing, I have no words for it. I don't want to get political. I don't want to get any of that. I want you guys to stay safe. But as far as marketing goes, we are not going to even talk about that. We're not going to make a coupon code for fucking COVID-19 or any of this shit. We're not going to take advantage of that. You guys might get a stimulus check. I don't know what's going on, but that's going to be great. Hope it helps us, hopes it helps the economy. Great, whatever. But again, I want to separate my business completely from that. We're not here to prey on people getting a check. We're not here to do any of that shit. As many of you know, our coupon code is about to expire, so we're working on trying to create a new one here for the springtime. If we do want to touch on one thing about the coronavirus and COVID-19, it is affecting shipping times, and I need you guys to understand that. Production is slowing down for many of these companies. And what is that resulting into? That's resulting into one thing: chargebacks, people yelling at us in emails, and 3, not being completely understanding of the situation. There are some states that are on complete lockdown. Example, California. There are people that can't go to work. We can't fix that. I don't know what to say. We have put in stocking orders for products that were supposed to be here weeks ago, but are unfortunately not. And I wish I could change that. I wish I could personally do something about that, but unfortunately I can't. And that's why we're making this video, because we want to help you understand what's going on exactly. So there's some major things we need to cover here are the GT500 Wings. The GT500 Wing situation is a mess. It is a complete failure. It is something I'm embarrassed about. And I want to be transparent with you. It's a complete disaster, and I almost don't want to ever do this again. But I know you guys have been waiting almost a month and a half for your wings. They will be here next week. I can't promise that again. They were supposed to be here this week, but now we're waiting again next week. If you've noticed, carbon fiber GT500 wings have gone out. We've been making orders. We've got 2 left in stock right now. So we want to get rid of those. Right now, I don't want to hold in any inventory. I don't know what's going on in the world, but all I know is we want to dump our inventory, and we're willing to do some deals. So shoot us a message if you're interested in our GT500 carbon fire wing. And again, next week, we're expecting a shipment of our ABS GT500 wings. Another update, NX2 Turbos. I know we have open orders for NX2s that have been going on for over a month. There have been some issues with manufacturing of the new NX2s. That is for something for TURBONETICS or Precision to comment on. I'm just relaying the message here for you guys. There have been some manufacturing errors, and sadly, Corona thing has hit in that exact same time frame that happened. As of right now, we have 3 turbos. They're already spoken for. They've already gone out. We've got another 20 turbos on back order right now. And again, I can't give an ETA on that. My experience of doing this for over 13 years, I usually have an answer for every single problem. As you know me, I operate in a very weird way. We get ourselves in some sticky shit, but I always figure out how to pull ourselves out of it. This time around, with this situation that's going on in America and the world, I don't have an answer for a lot of your shipping questions. But the most truthful I can be is that your order is in, we haven't forgot about you, and we're following up with the vendors. And I feel for the vendors on that side of things too, because they're saying the same thing that I'm saying to you right now, but they're not the ones in front of the camera. But I'm gonna be the voice for them. They are working on it, trust me. Nobody has forgotten about you. And as you know, we work with some of the best brands in the industry. Another update, what are we doing right now? I mean, what's going on? We are focusing 100% efforts on 2 things. I told you earlier, we need to get rid of our inventory. We've got PRL stuff that's in stock that needs to go. So Civic Type R owners, share this, tell your friends, we need to get rid of PRL stuff. Again, willing to do deals, shoot me a message. We've got Rift exhaust in stock. We need to get rid of these Rift exhausts. As you know, they're extremely expensive. I've got a McLaren 720S. I've got a Huracan exhaust. We need to move them. So if you've got any McLaren friends, you got any Lamborghini friends, let them know we've got exhaust in stock and they need to move. Last one, We are focusing on our Avenger twin turbo kit for the 2015 to 2020 Ford Mustang GT. This kit's gonna be completely bolt-in, no modifications needed, meaning you're not gonna have to permanently modify your Mustangs. On the front end with the FMIC, no modifications there. You're not gonna have to remove the fuse box. You're not gonna need a dry sump. These turbos are completely oilless. They're a triple ball bearing. You've got the billet aluminum wheels, you got the Inconel wheel, and it's all V-band. And the first version we're doing is gonna be all Wiggins clamps. It's gonna be the most bougie, high-end turbo kit you can buy. Big shout out to Comp Turbos, Turbo Spartan, Motul for helping us with this venture. And last but not least, I know I said that just 2 seconds ago, but very, very last, the other projects we're working on, competition clutch, twin disc for the Mustang EcoBoost. We've got an educational video. We know we need to finish it. We've got the multiple lifestyle video. That is on halt. Our multiple lifestyle video, that's on halt right now. With parks being shut down, we had this great idea to go out shooting, camping, and all this stuff with the Raptors and all that, but that's on pause right now. And I completely respect everyone's decision not to go out and keep themselves safe. Sorry, Motul. Sorry to all our fans. That project's on pause until we get over this situation, which I hope is very soon. I want you guys to stay safe out there. I'm gonna try and stay safe. That's why I'm hunkered here in our garage. The only time I'm leaving my house is only to go to FedEx and only to go work on this turbo kit. Other than that, that's all I'm doing. So to wrap this up, guys, let's go over what we talked about. We're not exploiting this virus thing. I'm not gonna market to you until you need to buy shit because we're gonna get a check or anything. No, I don't care. So get that out of here. That's kind of fucking scummy. Whatever. I'm not gonna, that's not in our business. We sell car parts here. If you wanna buy car parts, message me, go on the website, but I'm not gonna push marketing towards that. That's just evil, okay? Second thing, NX2 Turbos, we're trying to figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. Third thing, ABS wings. We're gonna figure it out. They are on their way. We're gonna get them to you. Fourth thing, twin turbo kits. We're working on it. Twin turbo kits are happening. S550 owners, tell your friends about it. 1200 horsepower, full bolt-in, triple ceramic, ball bearing turbos. Fifth thing, lifestyle videos for FFP, completely on hold. Competition clutch though, will be getting done, but the multiple one that we really hope, we wanted to have a lot of people, do a lot of off-roading, have a lot of fun. That's on pause right now. I'm gonna try and more frequently do these updates. Very dirty, no camera tricks, nothing. Just get it in your face. Again, if you do like these updates, guys, let me know. Give us a subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment down low. Share this with your friends if it's relevant. And follow us on Instagram and Facebook at FF Performance AZ. Again, I'm Charles Cerrito, owner of Function Factory Performance and the Function Factory, and we'll catch you on the next hot news update. And my phone went off.